everyone! I haven't done a video in a while, but today I am unboxing my Nintendo Switch. And so the Nintendo Switch have been really hard to get. The reason why I wanted to get the Nintendo Switch was because of Animal Crossing, and yeah, so I got really lucky. I was looking everywhere. I went to Target, I went to Best Buy, I went to GameStop. Look at it. Look at this game selections. So I didn't get, like, I was like, if I get Nintendo Switch, I'll look at the games and I'll buy some. But then no store has it. So my best friend was talking about it. She was like, I got mine from Walmart. So I was checking Walmart. I was like, I do not want to pay that markup. $400 extra. I mean, $100 extra price on top, and now it's like $400. The Nintendo Switch normally is sold for $300. So if you really want it, get it from Walmart. Otherwise, just be patient. You save $100 and you still have a good game system. But yeah, so I got lucky. I got it on, I ordered it on July 29th. So for some reason I was lucky. I was like looking on Best Buy and I saw it and I was like, okay, I want it. So I just ordered it right away, and a few minutes later it was sold out. So it is. I've been like waiting all day. I had work today, so then I wasn't able to wait at the door and grab it and like look at it and make a video. Instead, I had my brother go outside because for some reason my neighborhood people be stealing my packages, and I was like, I don't want that to happen. And this is a $300 console, and I did not want that to happen. So yeah, so I got the neon blue and the neon red one, and yeah. So today I finally just got home. I changed into my pants, and now here we are. So this is how, the Joy-Con from the side. Me and my nails, and it's too long to grab anything. And here is the screen. That's it. Go. The like manual, the extra bit of the Joy-Con. And right, the controller, so you can like slide in your Joy-Con, the HDMI cable, the charging cable, and the dock. So that's it. I can't wait to play Animal Crossing. Ah! So I also brought I think this is the extra Joy-Con. Hopefully I can put it like that. Okay. Yeah. Oh, HelloFresh gift card. Ooh, okay. Okay, cool. I got the Joy-Con. So I got the yellow and blue ones because I was like, at some point I need extra Joy-Con, and so I was like, okay, why not? So on top of that, on top of everything else, why like my friends got it and Animal Crossing, I also want it for myself because my birthday is coming up. So August 17th, so I'll be 2021, and this year has been a disaster, the pandemic, the lockdown, and I like only been like things only been open for like 2 months already since the lockdown. So I was like, why not? I've been working hard and I've been stressed out because I was like, this year is the year where I'm supposed to go places like go to Canada, go to Los Angeles, do something, go drink, go to drag shows, gamble, you know, things that you should be doing when you're 21, not like dying away in loneliness and just like thinking with thoughts. But yeah, these are the wow, the yellow looks so bright. And blue, oh my god. Yellow and blue is my yellow and gold is my school color, but I'm planning to get skin for these, so these won't look like them so much longer. That's it, right? On top of that, I heard that that they only have 32 gigabytes. So I brought SD card just in case so I can have more memory saved. So this one is 256. I got it half off, so it was $50. It is a XD card one, so that's fun. So the games that I brought, I went a little crazy since like some of these were like $10 off, so I just like went for it and bought it. So Animal Crossing was full price. It just came out in March, I think. Luigi Mansion, I got it full price. I heard this was a great game. I got it. Mario's Odyssey, I heard this is a really good game too, and like there's a lot to it and a lot of people like it. I got this $10 off, which was pretty good. Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, this is another top game that everybody was obsessed with. So I was like, okay, let's try it. It was also $10 off, so which was pretty good. I was like, yes, feed my impulse buying. Mario Party and Mario Kart, I think Mario Party was full price, but my reasoning was because I have a big family, like we can play Mario Party, and then I have Mario Kart, which was I think was $10 off too. But yeah, and then I got a Nintendo Switch carrying case, which I got this at my workplace, and then using my discount. Yeah, that's it. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Take care. But yeah, that is my Switch haul.